We are Ethiopian children. We are the future. We will follow our father's footsteps to proffer prosperous Ethiopia for the next generation in the name of our brilliant Prime Minister, Meles Zenawi.
Somebody tell me I'm not dreaming, wake me up, save me from the screaming. Everything I move about stolen, everyone yelling. I've seen 80 million people crying, screaming. I feel like I'm dying, help me out. Tell me it's a nightmare, put a water on my face to speak to me loud. They say it's not a dream, for real it's gone. No, I can't believe it, cause it promised not to leave us alone. Let's be so bad, let's be so lonely. Tell us what we gotta do, where you live us. Y'all already know how much we want you. I wish that you hear, see how much we get from you. I wish you spend a time with us again. Just ever from the sorrow and the pain. I tell you we're strong in everything. I tell you never die. I tell you live forever. You had to say goodbye, oh gotta get them back. We take them so early. We got a lot of things to do. We're glad to work together for a better life. Under you, I'm begging you. Down on my knees, kneeling down on the ground, expecting you to make a sound. Oh Lord, listen, I will pray to let the miracle happen. Wake them up, let them live long as out 57. He was great father, hero peacemaker. Ethiopia will remember him forever.
Sing with us for all the love you gave us. Thank you. Wave your flags. I need you wave flags. I want to see your flags. For all the love you gave us. We want to say thank you. I want to see the flags. Show us how to do. For all the love, we are Ethiopians. We want. Make some noise.
He was the voice of the voiceless, bright and the greatest, the strong mind, priceless, far-sighted, big dream, mind of action, fast-forwarding, motivational speaker, dynamic, mind of honor, open and erase out. Thank you for everything that you've done. You the greatest prime minister that we ever had. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your care. Thank you for the plan, bright future that you share. Thank you for protection, for the good of being power. We will remember you every minute, every hour. We all love you in our heart. You brought us from the dark to the light. God bless you for the things that you made right. Thank you for the freedom. Thank you for the peace. Thank you for everything that you made it. You made it. You made it. You made it right there.
Rest in peace. He was the great prime minister ever. We must stand together to change this dreams into reality. We must love each other no matter what God we are praying to. And the Holy Ethiopian saying,
Sing with us. He showed us what to do. For all the love he gave us. We want to say thank you. He showed us how to win. He showed us what to do. For all the love he gave us. We want to say thank you. Please everybody sing with
bless Ethiopia.
God bless
God
Ethiopia.
bless Africa.
God bless the world.